Hello, everyone. I just wanted to give you an update of what's going on with the channel. I have been sidetracked lately
Squirrel!
with a new printer, getting that all set up and getting some work going with some side projects. Um, so I am going to do a review on it coming up here shortly. I do have some plus and minuses of it with the company and some of the stuff with the printer and so on. But we'll get into that in a different video. I do plan on continuing to do some of the videos for the type 1 diabetes alerts that we did. Where we left off, we had the highs and lows and got the Alexa system all set up. So basically, what we want to do is get the trending when they get down to a certain level, double arrow down, single arrow down, get a warning ahead of time before they hit lows. That way we can try to catch it in time. And then the other one would be is the Lantus reminder every day. We'll set up a time and so on of when that's going to happen. And we'll try to get the wording in there too of how many units. And a way to configure that on the control panel. So those will be coming out pretty soon. The review of the printer hopefully will be really soon. The trending one I'm going to try to set up probably to be released on Friday. But we'll see how the week goes and stuff like that. So I just figured I'd give you guys a update, and that's basically where we are right now. So here's all my social media stuff if you need it. If you have yet to do it, please subscribe to the channel. And if you like the update, please hit the like button. All right, we'll see you guys next time. Later.